Hey guys, today is January the 9th. I'm coming in with a unboxing of my new PE800. If you're interested in seeing what all comes in the box, stay tuned. Okay guys, first we have the owner's manual. I'm pretty sure there's some other things in there too. Just gonna put this to the side. Then we have the dust cover for the machine. It comes with a 5x7 hoop. And you have your power cord. There's some white thread here. It's for your bobbin thread. Alrighty guys, y'all ready? Ready? Here's the reveal. Oh, look at there. I wanted to give y'all a closer look at the tools that came with the machine. This is an accessory bag full of good tools. Okay, first we have a spool net. It's to stop the thread from winding off the spool too quickly. There's some needles that they included. Bobbin center pin or spacer. And a seam ripper. And there are a few bobbins. It's a cleaning brush. Spool caps. There is a small one and a large one. I think I was missing one. According to the paperwork, it's supposed to be 3, a small, medium, and large one. Have some screwdrivers, a small one and a large one. And then there's a disc-shaped screwdriver as well. A thread spool insert to help the thread not jump around so much on the machine when it's a large spool. And then there's a pair of scissors. It's a quick reference guide. A quick reference guide. There's an embroidery design guide. It shows you the different designs that are built in on the machine. And there's an operations manual. And then there's another operations manual in a different language. And then there's another one that's in a different language. Okay guys, I have it out of the box. I just want to show you what was left in the box. I took all the other items out of the box. Now it was down to the embroidery arm and the machine. And this is the embroidery arm. So I'm going to start by taking off all of the plastic. And also I need to go ahead and take off all the tape, all the blue tape. You want to make sure you get all that off. I'll just move that to the side, and then bring the machine on over. Go ahead and take all the plastic off of it as well. All right, we're just going to take all the tape off, all the blue tape. Okay, I'm not sure about this part. Okay, put the presser foot up and see. Take off the tape first. Okay, just taped on. I think that's everything off of there. Oh, some on there. All right, guys, I want to show you how to go ahead and set the machine up. I want to go ahead and put the embroidery arm on. Have a little end right here. See this end right here? It fits right in to the machine here. Right in there. And there's also a latch right under here. And here's where you plug in your power cord. And there's like a square end on it. And there's a square end and like a circular. You want to make sure you just match those up when you're inserting the cord. Make sure it fits snug in there. You have a little protector on there. You want to take that off. And then just plug the machine in. Okay, and got your on off switch here. It's like a 0 and then a 1 on it. I'm not sure if you can really see that. There you go. You see the 0 and the 1. And that's where you'll turn it on at. Flip that switch. Just touch the screen. And then it says select your language. I want to go and select English. The embroidery unit will move. Keep your hands, etc. away from the carriage. Alrighty guys, if you're interested in the PE800, I've included a link in the description box. I've also included links to supplies to get you started. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe and remember to turn on your notifications. Thank you.